Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib, and today in this tutorial video we'll learn how we can convert Modbus protocol into OPC UA protocol. Suppose if we have any PLC or RTU or DCS system and that can support as a Modbus TCP server, and now we want to convert our Modbus TCP protocol into OPC UA control. So in that case, our controller will work as a Modbus TCP server, and Scada data gateway work as a Modbus TCP client, and the other side our Scada data gateway work as a OPC UA server, and our Scada local or remote Scada system work as a OPC UA client. So we'll see how we can configure it. So open OPC, open the Scada data gateway application. Okay, login. Login with username and password. So here our first step, we have to configure Scada data gateway as a Modbus TCP client application, because our PLC will work as a Modbus TCP server and Scada data gateway work as a Modbus TCP client. So for that, right click here in Scada root node, and after that here click add TCP channel master, and from here select Modbus protocol. For here master Modbus MMB, select it here. So I will put it this here the localhost IP address, because my Modbus server also inside the localhost, and here just put the channel name Modbus master 1. Click OK. And after that you have to mention what is your station address 1, and response time 60 seconds. Just press OK. Just keep it default, these settings. Okay, now next step is, for the simplicity, I will just read holding register from the Modbus TCP server. So I will select this T4 holding register, press OK. Okay, now as you can see, we don't have any of the holding register here, so, and we are not able to before this step I will come here, and after that action mask. Actually we have to configure this action mask. In that case it will pull data from the Modbus TCP server. So if you want to read like coils, whatever you want, you just put it read all. So in that case it will pull the data from the your slave device or server. So, and just put it here your period, after how much time you want to fetch the data. I will put just 10 seconds. Okay, so rest other you just keep it default, press OK, and after that come here, add a master data object, and here just put the address of your master data object. For example, I put it 1, and I'm just putting R1 my register, or I will put the address, suppose R40,001. That's it, press OK. I will add one more tag, and here I will just put 40,002, press OK, and that's it from the Modbus master configuration in Scada data gateway. Let me run my Modbus TCP server. So I'm using ModSim as a Modbus TCP server for the testing purpose. Come here, file, new holding register. For me it's 1, and I will just connect and the Modbus TCP server, and here I will put some random values. So as you can see upside in the my Modbus master, like in Scada data gateway that I configure Modbus master, this value is updating 40,000. Here is just 1 bit offset is there, so I here put 12 and similar value is updating. Just let me put it here, continue some values. Okay, so and the first step we completed. Now we are able to fetch data from our controller, like ModSim as a working as our controller, Modbus TCP master, Modbus TCP slave or server application, and we are able to get data inside our Scada data gateway application. And here you can see data is perfectly updating inside my Scada data gateway application. So now our second step is OPC UA, so configuration. So in this scenario, no need to do any OPC UA configuration, because it's already by defaultly whenever we are configuring any of the protocol, so it's already configured by default with OPC UA and OPC DA server. You don't need to do any of the special configuration. What you want to know in this case, you just want to know the detail of your OPC UA server details. You just need it. For example, here the port address you should know, and the other things that here you can see, and that's it. So I will just close it. I will run the OPC UA client application, and we'll see we are able to connect with Scada data gateway OPC UA server or not. So in this case we are using this OPC UA application, Unified Automation UA Expert. So we'll add our OPC UA server. So come here, click at the custom discovery, double click here, and here I will add 127.0.0.1. In your case, if you have out of your OPC UA client application or Scada system is not in the same system, you have to put the Scada data gateway system IP address here. So I will just here put the OPC UA server port, and I will copy it from here. Copy and paste it here and click OK. So as you can see, it discover, and after that triangle microwork Scada data gateway OPC UA, click here and press OK, press OK, then right click here, connect, click here trust server certificate and continue. So as you can see, it's able to connect with our Scada data gateway OPC UA server, and it's able to fetch the folders. We'll come here in the gateway and go down. Here you can see this Modbus M1, and accordingly here go down, and you will able to find our tag. Okay, yes, L1, and then T4, and I will open. So as you can see, we are what value we are getting in Modbus TCP server, the same value we are getting here in OPC UA client. So I will summarize the whole thing again. What step we did it? First, we configure Scada data gateway as a Modbus TCP master, as a Modbus TCP master or client, and then we check, okay, we are able to get data or not, and we saw that we are successfully able to get data from the Modbus TCP server. And then OPC UA server, we no need to do any configuration, it's already configured by defaultly. So we just connect the OPC UA application with our server, and here we can get we are able to get all of the value inside OPC UA client application. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more informative video regarding control system, please subscribe my channel and like this video.